Shon, I'm curious, this might be a tough one, but do you have any predictions for how the industry is going to shift and change, if at all, after all of this craziness in the world right now comes back to some sort of normalcy?
That is a tough one, but I tell you, Ryan, I've spent a lot of time over the last week, if you will, trying to figure this out for myself and trying to figure out where it's going to go. I do believe that we're going to see some level of depression or depression of the economy for a period of time, and because of that, I think we're going to see certain industries really take a beating from that perspective. So that's coming, and I know that that's out there. But I think there may even be some fundamental changes in the way we think about the business. And so it's going to be real interesting to watch as we go through this. If this thing carries on, into the summer, that's going to be a very interesting situation that I think will rewire the way people think.
Yeah, absolutely. And obviously we're all hoping for the best, obviously planning for the worst. To kind of go along that